Welcome to Super Dave's RC, and we've got some progress on the recovery unit. We've got our Kevlar cord reinforced chain all running with this little servo here. So that's going to control that there. And then, of course, we just don't want this thing to drop down because I want to be able to hook up without touching the vehicle. So we're going to need a way to push it out underneath the vehicle, and that's where this little guy comes into action here. That's run off of this servo here in the center. And then the ready rod goes through that tube underneath there, all the way up there. And you can even see the end of it, because it'll go out a pretty good long ways here. And then we got that hid nicely in the bumper there. And it's actually in the same position that the receiver hitch was. So that works nicely. And I still have it above the axle a fair bit, so I can still get the suspension to actuate. That was kind of a challenge because, there's not a whole lot of real estate here. So that's all tucked up underneath there, so it won't interfere that much. So next part is to make the sling between this and this, and then we'll be going. I'll probably put some type of secondary hook on here to collapse this when it comes all the way up or something, but we'll figure that out next. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have yourself a good one.